The Q3 update contains a camera driver update, which may cause some issues if it's not completely implemented successfully during the update process. There is a way to quickly repair this on your own, and I did want to just walk through those steps. So, some of the color camera issues may include a side camera not connected issue or issues with the performance of the top color camera. So I'm going to walk through how to access the fix for this solution. So if we go to settings and go down to elevated support and elevated support entry, use passcode 14352. This will be the same on any device. Choose OK. And the quickest way to get to the solution is to choose Show Desktop. Now, if you've never done this before, your icon may ask for permission to make your computer visible or discoverable. So you can click yes. Now we want to navigate to the desktop. So from here, we can choose the repair camera driver. If we double click that, this is going to run this file. And we want to select remove. And yes. Okay. Install Wizard has finished uninstalling. Yes, I want to restart my computer. When the icon powers up, we are expecting to get an error letting us know that the color camera is not connected because we've uninstalled that driver. Same with the side color camera. Now we can go back to elevated support. 14352 again. And we'll select Show Desktop. And we can select Desktop from the left. Again, repair camera driver. Select the language. Next. Next. Install. Yes, I want to restart my computer now. If the side color camera is not visible, it may be necessary to unplug the USB for the side color camera and plug the camera back in. Now the icon is seeing the camera attached and we don't see the warning on the screen. If we go to settings, we can go over to test. And now we can test the top color camera. And we can test the side color camera. Of course, now we can go down to the calibration tools and just double check our normal calibration. So in this case, I'm going to go to top color camera autofocus parameters. We can see that we have our pinwheel in line, basically centered in this red rectangle. You can move this if you need to, just to make sure that that's centered. And then if we move this lower slide, we can see that we can get this back into focus. And you can also utilize the autofocus tool. And select OK. We can also calibrate funnel just to make sure that we have our funnel calibration optimized after this change. So again, we can move the rectangle if we need to make sure that the funnel is centered. The auto rectangle should normally do a great job at finding that funnel and locating where that red rectangle should be. When you select OK, this is going to finish the calibration process. And select OK. Now our Eyecon 9430 has been updated to the latest version, and we've updated to the latest camera driver that really gives us some great images utilizing any camera that has been installed in the Eyecon 9430. So I've taken out some of the segments where the Eyecon was restarting just for the sake of brevity, but even still, this entire process took about 13 minutes.